Welcome to my channel, number one astrologer Vaastu by Dr. Satya, right? I'll be talking on the special marriage and marital life cases. A lot of these are coming these days. A lot of clients, both in India and out of India, right, are facing now marital issues. A lot of problems in terms of not only separation, divorce, and having strong fight, arguments and fights among each other, strong partners because both will be working or both will have different opinions, but child and childbirth problem or extramarital affairs. So these are also burning issues which causes separation and leads to divorce or court cases, right? And then the second marriages, third marriages are coming in. Now, what we need to do? What are the solutions? What are the guidance? What are the remedies? What is the karma alignments or the marriage alignment we need to do, right? For personal consultation solutions, guidance, and remedies, see the description and links below, right? So I was talking on the marriage and marital life, right? So you need to see the seventh house, the partnership, the marriage partnership